This is a room tour of the luxury junior suite located in Building 2, second floor of the Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun property. Walking in, the bathroom area is to my left, and straight ahead is the sleeping living area. This room has a king bed, very comfy height-to-red count sheets and bedding. There's also a TV right above, a modest dresser with drawers, a mini coffee station, and ledge for additional storage. Over here we have a sofa bed, a coffee table, and then along the wall are 2 tables and a chair. So stepping out into the balcony area, this room is a garden mangrove view. So this is your view, and by this being the second floor, you also have the view of some swim out suite pools below. And the balcony has 2 chairs and a table here. It's a standard size balcony. Now coming back in, you'll see the frosted glass of the shower and tub area, which is to my right, and to my left is a full-size mirror. And then there's a safe and a stock fridge with juice, waters, pops, and beers. This is the closet here. It is equipped with an ironing board, slippers, 2 robes, and large enough to put luggage and hang items in. Now when we move over to the bathroom, we have the double sinks, a large vanity, mirror, plenty of toiletries. And here is my favorite part of this room, which is the bath area. It's large. The tub is great. There is a ledge for your phone, device, candles, wine, etc. Also within this space is a shower. It's a rain head shower and also a removable hanging handheld shower. So it's very nice and spacious in there. And then of course, right across from that space is the toilet area here. So here is another view of the room. This is the standard luxury junior suite at Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun. Really large open space, comfortable for 2 adults and for families.